Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed the Ghost 2 on this 2019 Evoque. So our thief goes to steal it. Car's going to switch on, it's not going to start, and it's just going to turn straight back off. So for the customer, they'll tap the ignition with their foot off the brake, pop their code in, receive a double flash, and at that point they can start. There we go, and now we can foot on the brake, start the vehicle. If the customer wants to change this code, they'll obviously want to do it once we leave, since we've done a video on it. And the way they'll do that is ignition on, like before, wait for the swipe to finish, pop their code in to confirm that it's them. Obviously disarms the system, get our double flash. Now instead of starting, we'll hold the full beam back, pop our code in one more time. Still holding the full beam, and you see the indicator start to flash. Now they have, we'll let go and we'll set the new code. So we'll just keep it simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a triple flash to confirm that code's done, and now we've just got to put that in again to confirm that's the code we want, and we'll receive a double flash. That's the code changed. So now when the customer gets in the vehicle, ignition on, pop their new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, and they can start. To take this for a service, what they can do, turn the system off with their code, get their double flash. Now press the service button, which on this vehicle is the cancel, 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. And now this is turned off. So when it goes back to Range Rover, there'll be no code to start the vehicle. It will just act and behave as if there's no Ghost fitted, as long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more. To turn it back on when you get the vehicle back from them, all you do, like before, ignition on, pop your code in. Get your double flash. And that's it back on. You can either start it now and drive home, or if you're at home and you just wanted to turn it back on, simply turn the vehicle off. Now when someone comes in and goes to start, it's going to switch off. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Ghost 2 on a 2019 Range Rover Evoque. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.